Hello guys, in today's video, Cubot is known for offering a budget-friendly smartphones that strike a balance between functionality and affordability. One such model is the new Cubot P90, which houses a large 6.88-inch display, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It has a secondary screen and runs on Android 15. With its modern design and incredibly low price, the P90 is perfect for those looking for a stylish yet practical smartphone. Check out this Cubot P90 video review and discover more about its features and performances. The phone comes in this rectangular box in turquoise color with the brand and the model name. So let's start with the boxing and see what is in the box besides the smartphone. Cubot P90 quick start guide and all the paperwork. Additional screen protector. I must mention that the smartphone already comes with the installed protection out of the box. SIM tray pin. We also have this USB-C charging cable and the charger. Okay, that was the contents of this box. And let's move on, let's take a look at the smartphone. The Cubot P90 comes protected out of the box with a protective transparent hard case that will ensure your phone stays looking like a new for a long time, in a way that protects it from all external influences. Of course, we will remove this case and take a closer look at our phone. If we talk about the design, then for such a price in which the P90 comes, it's more than good. In fact, it's a very elegant 8.6-inch slim and refined with an excellent final glossy finish. What catches the eye is the interesting appearance of the back. There is a protrusion with a camera module, a flashlight and the additional 1.72-inch touch display. And the surface of the case itself is shiny and pleasant, and what's more, it does not leave fingerprints. On the right side we'll find the two volume buttons. Below them is a power button. In the lower part of this case there is USB Type-C charging connector and a speaker grills. We also have a speaker grills on upper side. These dual speakers deliver pretty good audio that brings music to life with deep bass and a crystal clear sound. From the front, a large and spacious 6.88-inch IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 720 by 1640 pixels. In the notch at the top center we find a 60-megapixel front camera which will perfectly handle some selfies, video calls, online meetings, as well as the option of face unlocking. The pixel density is about 260 ppi, which provides a standard image quality, although in this price range it looks very good. The maximum refresh rate is 120Hz, which is again rare to see in this class of budget phones. The screen supports multi-touch and respond quickly. It also has wide viewing angles and reproduces colors well. There is no lack of contrast, and even outdoors every element on the screen is bright and clear. With this 120Hz refresh rate you can expect pleasant and fluid use, therefore everything functions correctly. The vibrant display and the immersive black levels enhance the contrast ratio, delivering rich color reproduction on the screen. Colors remain accurate, clear and sharp, ensuring a pleasant viewing experience across different types of content. For users with the moderate needs, this display is more than sufficient for everyday tasks like web browsing, social media and extended YouTube seasons, all without noticeable lag. On the back, the P90 also has additional mini screen of 1.72 inches with a resolution of 320 by 380 pixels, which can be used to quickly view the time, messages or other important notifications without unlocking the main screen. In the settings you can choose between applications which you will send to notifications. The mini screen shows the number of steps you will take per day, what music is currently playing, And the next widget includes a mini camera app, battery status, and you can also change watch faces or make your own in the phone app if you like. As for the cameras, the P90 is equipped with two main cameras and a 0.3 megapixel wide sensor. The phone has a dual camera module on the back, which includes a 64 megapixel primary sensor with the PDAF autofocus and a 5 megapixel ultra wide sensor. The 64 megapixel main camera provides good quality photos with enough details in good lighting. The main camera can record 2K videos at 30 fps, which is progress for phones of this class. In the gallery that follows, you can see some photos and videos that we taken with our Cubot P90 in different situations, so let's take a look. The MediaTek Helio G100 processor, built on advanced 6nm architecture, offers ultra-efficient performance whether you are gaming, streaming or multitasking. With speeds of up to 2.2 GHz, lag is a thing of the past, and with the 12GB of RAM, which can be upgraded to 24GB of RAM with the virtual RAM memory, Mali G57MC2 graphics in combination that is often used in this price category, they turn out to be great combination. During the entire test, I didn't notice any performance problems. Every task was performed quickly without any hangs and slowdowns. Thus, the performance of the phone ensures relatively smooth operation. You can also play games, maybe not the most demanding ones, but all others will run relatively smooth. Internal memory comes with 256GB and the storage can be expanded with the memory card for all those who need additional space for multimedia. Cubot P90 runs on the latest Android 15 operating system, which provides access to Google's main applications and AI functions, providing you with a clean and bloatware-free experience, and comes equipped with integrated features such as the Smart Touch gestures. The phone's interface is really Spartan, simple and intuitive, and the settings allow you to personalize functions as you wish. The phone is equipped with the 4G mobile connectivity of all generations, providing fast and reliable connections even in remote areas. In addition, it comes with the Wi-Fi 5 enabled uninterrupted local network and Bluetooth 5.2, and for mobile payment enthusiasts, the NFC module is built in, compatible with the Google Pay, which facilitates contactless payments. The GPS system combines satellite networks. GPS GLONASS, Beidou and Galileo enable precise positioning and navigation even in dense forest or narrow urban streets. As far as autonomy is concerned, I used the phone for almost 2 days, putting it through various tests, watching videos, playing games, send messages, and generally doing everything most users do. The phone does not heat up, so working with this smartphone was pleasant. The battery has capacity of 5100 mAh and supports 18 watts wireless charging. There is no super fast charging, so I recommend leaving the phone to charge overnight, one of the best solutions. In conclusion, Cubot P90 is an affordable smartphone with a charming and cheerful design. With a large screen of 6.88 inches, a refresh rate of 120Hz and a simple interface based on the latest Android 15. It's suitable for daily use, such as watching videos, using social networks and performing basic tasks. So in my opinion, the P90 is a good choice in its price category. For example, for all those who don't want to spend a lot of money on a new smartphone and want to have a new device. A big plus is the modern stylish design itself, as well as the rear additional screen not often seen in this budget class of phones. And how affordable the P90 really is, you can check out at the official Cubot sales links below this video and get your Cubot P90 today at a good price while the promotion lasts. That will be all for today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.